Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. Talk about sock solutions for large families. So I have 6 kids. I had 6 kids in 8 years. At the moment, their ages range from 3 up to 11 and a half. And if you've had a couple of kids, you know that sock management is a big deal. You don't come with that skill naturally. No one is born with excellent sock management skills. And so here's what we do in our home now that is so amazing. So first, I got rid of any specialty socks. They're so cute, you guys. They're so cute. Grandparents give them to us. We're like, look at those cute little St. Patrick's Day socks with the shamrocks. No, all of those go. And then I get to do this because, I don't think it really matters because of genders. I was going to say because I have 3 girls first and then 3 boys, but I would do this even if the genders were mixed throughout the 6. So I do black socks for the boys, one size. And so they're a little bit big for the 3-year-old, but it works. And then white socks for the girls. And I just picked those up on Amazon. And then we have a sock bucket by the front door. And this was brilliant because now, instead of people having socks all over the house, all the kids' socks are in one place. And if I find them around the house, I can just toss them in the sock bucket, which sometimes means that I take some socks that someone's worn for a few hours and I throw them in the bucket, and I'm okay with that. If I look at them and they look dirty, I toss them in the laundry basket. And another awesome tip is having a laundry basket somewhere upstairs. So we have a skinny one in our kitchen that we throw all of our towels in. We use cloth towels instead of paper towels for most things. We have paper towels, but we mostly use these cloth towels that sit on the kitchen table. And so we toss those into this laundry basket and these white cleaning towels that we have. So it's pretty easy for me around the living room to grab the socks and toss them in that laundry basket without having to go all the way to my room or downstairs to the kids' rooms where the clothing laundry baskets are. And so this is just an example of what I talked about a few episodes ago of a leverage decision, where you take the time and you go through the discomfort. I mean, it was extremely uncomfortable to get rid of all of the cute socks and then to purchase new socks, very boring, one color socks, and then to tell everyone about the system and to remind them for a few weeks how to do it. But it has made my life vastly easier to have this silly sock system. And so, one, if you're drowning in socks, this is just an example. You could also Pinterest sock systems. I'm sure somebody else has some other ways of doing it that you might like better, might work better for your family. But beyond the socks, I want you to ask yourself, what is driving me bananas in my house right now? How can I think smarter about this and learn something, buy something, train someone, label something? How can I make a leverage decision that would make all my sock issues easier or non-existent in the future? So I hope that helps you. In Masters, we had a great deal of sock conversation recently, and it was very fun. And it just showed me that this is something that a lot of families are dealing with. And I think it's just one of those things that we convince ourselves is like, oh, we just have to deal with it, or everyone deals with it, or there isn't a great answer. It's also never urgent. So we're dealing with all these other things, and sock system doesn't usually rise to the top. But I'm telling you, if you can begin to identify these little annoying things, that's how you create some systems in your home. And then it will start to feel like a well-oiled machine. That's how I feel about my house. And I feel like I've even just barely scratched the surface of systems. But compared to 5 years ago, we have so many awesome systems like the sock bucket that have made our life so much more calm. And everyone knows what to expect and how to do it. Doesn't mean they always do it, but it's just so much easier now because when I see the socks on the floor, I don't think, oh, there's socks on the floor. Oh, this is such a big problem. Oh, I don't know what to do about this problem. I'm a terrible mom and I'm going to live in this messy house land forever. That's what it sounds like when you don't know how to manage your mind and how to be a problem solver. All right, you guys, I hope that was helpful. It's a little sock love for you today. Thanks so much for listening and have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening and have a blessed day.